Hey everyone, this is JT with the solution to my Bombino fireworks puzzle. Congratulations to the first person who was able to solve it. They got it and were able to claim the prize within the first 2 or 3 hours of it being posted. So congratulations again, and let's get into the solution. So as we watch this video, we notice there's basically two types of fireworks. The white fireworks, which come up at the bottom and explode closer to the bottom of the screen. They always do that 3 at a time. And then we have the red fireworks, which explode higher in a more intricate pattern, and there's always 4 of those between each set or after each set of white fireworks. And if we watch through this entire video, we'll notice that it's always the same pattern. 3 white fireworks, then 4 red fireworks, 3 white, 4 red, and that pattern repeats 12 times through the puzzle. So that is a suggestion that the solution is a 12-word mnemonic phrase, which it is. So now we just need to figure out what those words are and what the order of them is. So I didn't just put them in order 1 through 12 through the video. It's mixed up a bit just to be a little bit trickier. So if we go back to the beginning of the video, we'll notice that the 3 white fireworks come up from the bottom, and then each one explodes in this X pattern. And some of those squares on the outside turn yellow. In this case, 3 of them turn yellow. Most of them stay white, but to get the word ordering, we look at these patterns and count the number of yellow squares. So this one has 3, so the first word is going to be the 3rd word in the solution. Now this pattern alternates colors and it flickers, so in the next frame all the white squares turn yellow and all the yellow squares turn white. So if we were to pause this here, for example, all the colors are switched. In this case, we count the white squares, and we can always remember to do that because it's always the opposite color of the middle square. And these 3, watch these 3 white ones, they will turn back yellow, and then they stay for an additional frame. So that's kind of the clue that those are the important ones, is because those 3 stay for an additional frame. Now, looking into the set of 4 red fireworks that come after that, we notice that each one has its own kind of unique explosion pattern, but then the ones that were red at first, they stick around, they alternate between red and orange a bit, but they stick around for a little bit longer. So that's kind of the hint that those ones are the important ones. And what we're going to do is count the number of those red squares in those explosions. So if we pause this, let's say here, we count number of red squares, we get this inside squares, 3 times 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we get 18. For the second firework, well, that's just 5. For the third red firework, we have, well, it looks like 2 patterns of 7, so that's 14. And then that's 5 again. Let's do one more. I believe this is going to be word 9, but let's double check. So if we pause this, we count, in this case, we count the yellow ones because they're opposite from the center square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, this is going to be word number 9 in the solution. And then this is, looks like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And all we're going to do with these numbers we're writing down is convert those into letters. So for example, this one is, well, that's 15 red squares. That's going to be the 15th letter of the alphabet. Get through this one. All right, this is 14 again because it's, again, I mean, there's 2 the same pattern and there's 7 in each. So that's 14. And then, let's see, this one we have, well, 5 in this middle X, 4, 8, 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 3 is 20. So there are 20 there. Now converting these numbers into letters, for word 3 we have R-E-N-E. For word 9 we have, let's see, letter 13, that's M-O-N-T. Alright, so for each word I only gave you the first 4 letters, and if you've seen some of the other solutions, you notice that each If we look up the BIP39 list of words, so these are the 2048 words that can be part of the mnemonic phrase. Each one has a unique start for the first four letters are always unique. So if we look up RENE, there's only one word that starts with that, and it's renew. So this becomes the word renew. And then if we look up MONT, we get the word month. It's the only one that starts with those four letters. So this turns into month. Now if we go through the entire video and do that for all the patterns, we will get all the other 10 words and the order of those. And here's the full solution, and for this I put them in the correct order. So word number 1 is upon, 2 is lion, here's 3, renew, that's the one we solved for first, and then here's month in position 9. So those are the 12 words. In the solution, this is the correct order. And then to access the prize, we use something like myetherwallet.com. This is they've changed it so it's slightly different. Access wallet, scroll down to software. In this case, we want a mnemonic phrase. Here's a place you will enter those 12 words in that order. And then you'll be able to get into the wallet and take the prize. So congratulations again to the person who was able to solve it, and good luck solving the other puzzles that have yet to be solved.